Hello friends, so we'll be discussing one example from paper 1 and this is related to the probability. A company produces light bulb at three factories A, B and C. A factory A produces 40% of the total number of bulbs out of which 2% are defective. So there are two events. The first one is factory and second one is defective. Factory B produces 35% of the total number of bulbs out of which 4% are defective, and factory C produces 25% of the total number of bulbs out of which 3% are defective. If defective bulb is found among the total output, then what is the probability that it is from the factory A? So what is the given there are three factories, so and the respective production will be 40%, 35% and 25%. So in probability terms we can write this as probability of A will be 40%, probability of B will be 35%, then probability of C will be 25%. So next will be they have given the number of defective from the each factory. So this is the conditional probabilities. So it can be explained as probability of defective given A, which is equals to 2%, probability of defective given B, which is equals to 4%, and probability of defective given C factory, which is a 3%. And they ask about the probability that we got a defective item and which is came from the, what is the chance that it will be came from the factory A. So probability of A given D, which is they have asked, and with the help of Bayes formula we can write this probability as probability of D given A into probability of A divided by the summation of all these kind of probabilities. So it will be probability of D given A into probability of A plus probability of D given B into probability of B plus probability of D given C into probability of C, right? So after putting all these values together, this probability will be 4%, sorry 2%, 2 divided by 100 into 14 divided by 100 divided by, again same, then 14 by 100 plus the second one will be what, 4 and 4%, and the factory production will be 35%, and last one will be 3% defective from the 25% of factory production. So if you see here 100 at this denominator and 100 all in this denominator as well, so it will get cancelled out. What will remain with 2 multiplied by 40, which is equals to 80 divided by this 80 plus 4 into 35, which is equals to 140 plus 2 into 3 into 25 will be 75, and this summation will be 80 plus 140 is 220 and 75 will be 295, and this division will be something around 0.2711 and all. Okay, so if you look at the answers, yeah, there is answer C, 0.27, and that's the answer for this question. Okay.